Welcome to DIY House. Hello Kitty and my Melody are best friends. Today, I'll make a pink house for them. They called and asked for my help.
La 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 la! Wow! Wow! I love this photo.
Oh no! Wrong. Okay, that's right. Let's get started. Reuse old cardboard boxes to create the house frame. Cover the entire house with colored paper, predominantly pink. You can buy it at a bookstore. This house will have additional windows for a more airy feel. To make it easy to go up and down, I'm making a staircase. Stack the layers of cardboard to create the core, then wrap it with green glitter paper on the outside. Orange, red. Wow, fantastic!
Nice!
I'll make the kitchen first. I'm so hungry. Need to do it quickly to fill my empty stomach. A green fox stone tabletop. That's perfect. Use pink clay to sculpt strawberry-shaped handles for the cabinet doors. And add stems and a few white seed dots. The kitchen table will have 2 large compartments. Don't forget the gas stove. I'll make it red. I've already cut black glitter paper for the stove surface. The on or off button is essential. Wow, a cooking pot.
We need some green vegetables and fruits. Okay, let's go to the garden and pick some. The garden is empty. We need to till the soil and plant some seeds. You water, and I will sow the seeds. You water, and I'll sow the seeds. Wow! All the crops are ready for harvest.
We have a basket of vegetables and eggs. Next, I'll make the dining table with enough space for Hello Kitty and my Melody. I'm using clay to make the tabletop. Ribbon around the outside of the old box lid. Ta-da! The table is really cute. I like it. Two flower-shaped chairs. They're so cute. Still missing a spice rack. The food won't be tasty without it. Use foam board for the frame. Cover it with paper all around. bottle was made quickly. Salt, pepper, sugar. A commemorative photo of Hello Kitty and my melody. The kitchen is complete. Do you like it? I'm sure they will cook many delicious dishes in that kitchen. Now, let's move on to the bedroom, starting with the outer frame of the door. Let's make a curtain for the window. Use sheer fabric, sew to create a gathered effect. Bow, just like Hello Kitty gave me. A large bed in the middle of the room. Stack layers of paper to create the bed frame. Cover it with paper on the outside. Use pastel red clay to make a soft blanket. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Press to create raised patterns, then cut away the excess. Use lace as decorative elements. Oh, it looks quite beautiful. I didn't expect that. The headboard is a large Hello Kitty face. Extend the clay outward, add eyes, nose, and whiskers. Choose pink blush for the cheeks. Don't forget the bow. Oh, it's really beautiful. I like it. Do you think so too? And a bow at the end of the bed. Let's make a bed like that for my melody. A commemorative painting. I'll add some flowers to it. Here. Oh no! Wrong room. Okay, that's right. Finally, I'm making the living room. The rainbow chair is a pretty good idea. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Flatten them together. Can you guess what I'm making? The edges have soft, serrated teeth. have any ideas, please comment below the video. Please hit subscribe to watch me build more new houses. Thank you for watching the video. I love you all so much.